Hi everyone. Today I'll show you how to send HD photos on WhatsApp so your pictures stay clear and high quality. Method 1. First, open your phone's gallery. Next, choose the photo you want to send on WhatsApp. Then tap on Share. Select WhatsApp. Choose the contact you want to send the photo to. Now, at the bottom left, tap on the photo preview. Look at the top of the screen and tap on HD. When a pop-up appears, choose HD quality. Now all the photo will set to HD quality. Finally, tap Send. And that's it. Your photo will be sent in HD quality on WhatsApp. Method 2. Open WhatsApp and select the contact you want to send the photo to. At the bottom, tap on the attachment or share icon. Select Gallery. Now choose the photo you want to send. Next, tap on HD. Then tap Send. And that's it. Your photo will be sent in HD quality on WhatsApp. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks.